Hello and welcome. We had learnt about strings in previous two videos, correct? In this video, we will learn about some useful string functions which can be used to perform certain operations on string. Alright? Now, for us to use the string functions, we need to include string.h header file in our program. Okay, this is because the functions are included in this particular header file. Okay, the function codes are in this particular header file. All right, now the first function that we will be learning about is string length. Okay, string length. Now string length function is used to find or used to get the length of a string. Okay, so let me create a string. I'll say char and let me say country and is equal to India. All right, so this is my string now. Now I want to count how many number of characters are there in this string and I want to print it out. So I can do that using string length function. So let me do that. Printf and %d. Okay, %d. Now we have to modify this. I'll tell you that later. str. Okay, str len string length. Okay, str string len length, and here I'll say country. All right. So now when I run it, I get an error saying that the format specifier must be ld. Okay, so use ld. Even though we are expecting 5 as a result from this, we have to use ld, which is the format specifier for string length. Okay, now when I run this, I get 5 as a result because there are 5 characters in this string India. Okay, so this string length is used to get the length of the string like this. All right, now in the previous video we had used size of operator, correct? Size of, we can use that too. Let me use that and let me show you the result side by side. So for this we can use ld2. All right, for size of and here country. All right, so let me run and show you the result. Okay, so let me have new line to avoid confusion. Okay, so 5 and 6. 5 is the result of string length. 6 is the result of size of. This is because size of also considers the null character. Okay, if you remember, we have a null character at the end of the string, correct? It is there here, but it is not being displayed. The size of calculates this by taking into consideration the null character too, whereas string length leaves the null character out and gets you only the number of characters in the string. Okay, so you are free to use this or this, but if you want to get the number of length properly, it is better to use string length function. Okay, string length function. All right, so that is first function. Let us proceed to the second function, which is to concatenate. Okay, to concatenate or to join two strings. All right, so now let me use a different string. Let me say name 1. Okay, name 1, and here let me say Ravi. All right, name 1 Ravi, and let me have one more string name 2 equal to Kumar. Okay, Kumar. All right. Now what we will be using is strcat. Okay, cat. This is for concatenating or joining two strings. Okay, joining two strings. Now here what we have to say is name 1, name 2. Okay, name 1 and name 2. So I'll explain this in a moment. And now let me print percentage yes name 1. Okay, so now when I run it, I get Ravi Kumar as result. Okay, so there is no space between Ravi and Kumar, so we can add that by leaving a space here. Okay, or you can leave a space here too. So let me run it, and you can see I get Ravi Kumar. So how does this run? Let us try to understand. I created a string here by the name 1 and stored Ravi and a blank space in it. Okay, next I created one more string name 2 and stored Kumar in it. Then this strcat function takes in two arguments, name 1 and name 2. All right, so name 1 is the array or string where you want to store the result of addition of two strings. Okay, so here name 1 means what happens is these two will be joined and the result of that, which is this, will be stored in name 1. Okay, and name 2 is just the name 2. So when we give like this name 1 comma name 2, Ravi and Kumar will be joined and it will be stored in this. Okay, stored in this, and that is what I am printing out. All right, now let me change this to name 2 and this to name 1 and this to name 2. Let us see what we get. We get Ravi Kumar and then a space here. Okay, now this is because what it does is it joins name 2 and name 1. So first comes name 2, which is Kumar, second comes name 1, which is Ravi. So Kumar Ravi will be the result, and that Kumar Ravi will be stored in this. Okay, stored in this, and this is what I am printing out. Okay, so this is how string concatenation function works. Okay, strcat. So first must be the name of the array which will store the result of the addition, and that is what will be used for further processing. Okay, yes, so this is about string concatenation, a very simple function. Next we will learn about string copy function. Okay, string copy function. This is to copy the value of one string to another. Okay, so now here let me say Kumar. Okay, Ravi Kumar, and let this be a blank. Let this be a blank array. All right, so now let me write it. Okay, type it. The function is string str copy cpy. It is not copy, it is cpy. All right, and then name 2 comma name 1. Okay, name 2 comma name 1, and here we are printing name 2. All right, so let me run it, and here it says array size missing, so I'll give 20 and I'll explain later. I'll run, and here it says the semicolon is missing, and now I get Ravi Kumar. Alright. Now, what I have mentioned here is the size of the array. Okay. Now, the size of the array must be mentioned such that this will be stored entirely in it. Okay. For this, it is not needed. Automatically, the C program will calculate and store it. Now, for this is a blank array, correct? So, what will be the maximum number of characters that can be stored in this? That is what we are mentioning here. So, when I say 20, so 20 character string can be stored in this array. Alright. So, we have to use such that this or these many characters will be able to fit in this array. Okay. Now, strcpy is the function. What we have to pass to this function are two arguments, out of which the first argument is the array to which we are copying the data. We are copying the data from name1 to name2, correct? So, to name2. The data goes to name2. So, that is what should come first. The destination. Next is the source. From where are we copying the data? From name1, correct? From name1. So, that must come next. So, name2 is the destination, name1 is the source. And then I am printing out whatever is stored in name2. Okay. So, I hope it is clear. Once again, one more simple function which will be useful. Alright. Yes. Let me delete this. Yeah. Now, we will use a function to compare two strings. Okay. And the function name is string compare. Alright. Now, let me quickly create one more string. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So, I will delete this from here. Alright. Now, what I have done here is I have created three strings. Okay. So, first string is name1 and it has Ravi in it. Second string is name2 and it has the same characters Ravi in it. And third one is name3 and it has Kumar in it. Okay. Now, what we can do using string compare function is we can compare whether the characters of one string are equal to the characters of one more string, or in other words, we can check whether the characters of one string are the same as that of another string. Okay. So, let me do that. For this, we need a printf statement. I'll say printf. Okay. I'll use printf, and here I will have %d. Okay. %d and comma strcmp is the function. Okay. String compare. And here, what are we comparing? First, let me compare name1 and name2. Okay. Name1 and comma name2. Alright, name1 and name2. So, this is what I am trying to compare. Now, when I hit run, you can see that I get 0. We get 0 if the two strings are equal. If the two strings are not equal, then we will get a different random value. Okay. If you get 0, then the two strings are equal. If you get a different value, anything other than 0, it means that the two strings are not equal. Okay. So, here let me show that. Let me have 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, Ravi and Kumar are different. So when I run it, you can see I get 7, which is a different value than 0. If we get any value other than 0, it means the two strings are not equal. Okay, so let me have 1 and 3. 1 and 3 not equal. Ravi, R-A-V-I, this is K-U-M-A-R. So let me run, and you can see I get once again 7. Now let me have Ravi here. Ravi. So 1 and 3 are same. So when I run it, I get 0. Okay, I get 0. So this is what you can do with string compare. Okay, string compare function. Alright. Yes. So that is, or these are the few of the useful string functions which we will be using, or you will be using in your C programs. Okay, first is string length, to get the length of a string. Next is strcat, to join two strings. Third is to copy, strcpy, to copy one string from or to copy a string to a different array. Then the fourth one, which is to compare two strings. Alright, I hope it is clear. Now I have a task for you. What I want you to do is take two string inputs from the user. Okay, I want you to take two string inputs. Now you know that you can use fgets function to take input from users, correct? Now after taking input from users, you have to compare their lengths. You know the function to get the length also. Alright. Then using if string 1 is lengthier than string 2, say that. Okay, using if statement, check that, compare their lengths. If string 1 is lengthier than string 2, say that is lengthier than this, else the other way. Okay, so this is your task for now. I want you to pause the video and solve this, because in a few seconds I will be showing you the solution for this. Alright, so here is the solution. You can pause the screen and check it out. So it starts from here and it goes till here. Okay, it goes till here. I want you to compare this program with the one that you have written and see where you have gone wrong, if you have gone wrong. Okay, yes. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.